Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to talk about basic variables in Python. So let's get into it. So the first thing I like to talk about is how do you go about creating a very basic type variable? And so what I would do is let's start off with a very simple example, your name. For example, so let's make it more specific. Your name, and my name is Colin, and then let's do score. This next one. So I guess I should explain this before we jump on the next example of what a simple basic variable is. So as you can see here, the name, your name here, I hope you can see this little highlighting, is this is the variable, and the string, these letters, is my name. So when you print, so hopefully by now you know what a print function is in Python. You print your name, it should print print my name, first name, Colin. So that's how you know this basic variable works. Another example of a basic variable is, let's say, make a variable called score. Make it to an integer, let's say 5. Make another basic variable, rating. Hopefully it's spelled properly. Let's say 3.5 for that. And then if I run the print function, and let's say I want to add the score and the rating together, what do you think would happen? Let's give it a quick run, and as you can see, it adds it up. So I hope that gives you a better understanding how variables work. They're very basic, and you can also store one more value type in variable. Say this is what you would call a boolean, so true or false only. So note, I have to type in capital T for true, and I can't type in all caps. That would, as you can see, Replit has already caught that, and it's in red. And if it's false, I have to type in a capital F with false as well. So I am a male, true. So when you, let's say, print male, what do we get? It's true. A couple things to note, and as you can see, except for this example, I'll have it in lowercase depending on where this variable is, of course, but since we're doing a very simple example, everything's in lowercase. I'm separating excuse me, the variables, the two letters between I'm separating these two words with an underscore for this variable, and as you can see, if you take that away and you put a space, it automatically gives you an error. So you need to have some type of underscore there if you want to use two words for your simple variable. The other thing is that make sure your variables are descriptive of what the value is. So for example, this variable is basically a container for this string Colin, my first name. And so make sure that your variables are descriptive enough so that when other people are reading your code, they know what this variable contains, which makes sense, right? You don't want to have a variable like let's say n1 or something like that. Now, this might make sense to you, but it would not make sense to someone just reading your code. And what is N1? They don't know it's name1, for example. If we type in name1, you know, that would make more sense. That would be the first name in a list, perhaps. But anyways, I'll also put a link to the Python syntax style guide, PEP8, in the description below. You can check that out. Thanks for watching the video. And if you want to watch my latest video on my not so minimal 2021 desk setup, please click over here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.